Today, we will look at how I keep making 100% trades. How do I decide to take a long or short? We will do a full analysis. We will cover super order blocks, fair value gaps, imbalances, ranges, power of three, liquidity inducement, anything that you can imagine. This will be an extremely detailed trading video. Hope you do not miss it. If you're ready, let's start. Welcome our free trading course. You'll find everything about smart money concepts. Today we'll cover many trade setups from Bitcoin. If you are looking for a structured table of contents, you can find it on Google Drive or directly from my website, which is in the description. I suggest you watch videos in order, otherwise it can be confusing. Let's talk about one of my recent trades and how I decide to take a long or short. We will slowly analyze everything from minute charts to monthly charts. Everything will be crystal clear. Notice this significant low. Which high creates this lovely low? Just right here. You can also notice the considerable swing failure pattern. Here is our dilemma again. Is this a market structure break or a swing failure pattern? Are we going to take a long or short based on this setup? Before that, let's keep checking this 15-minute chart. You can notice the internal break here, which creates our tiny super order block. You can see the giant imbalance collides with the super OB. Check this movement with internal break, extremely high quality. Also, notice how the price keeps wicking the order block, but bodies cannot close below the order block, very resistant OB. Checking out more, I'm noticing the micro swing failure pattern here. Let's zoom out a bit and brainstorm. Where can the price move to? Yes, the very clear target above, the mega imbalance. Okay, back to the main question. Why did I take a long here but not a short with the swing failure pattern? Here is my secret. I'll be observing this low and discover the secrets behind this reaction. Like Indiana Jones movies, remember each trade is like an adventure, solving puzzles and mysteries. Switch to the 30-minute chart and now just taking a quick look here. What do you see here? We are trying to solve the puzzle. Why did the price react here? To do that, we have to do a reversal analysis. Keep checking the left of the chart. Let's zoom in on this area. Pause the video. What do we have here? Any guesses? A significant low and a significant high which creates that significant low. Very strong market structure break. Check out this displacement. Amazing. So this structure is the turning point of the market. Since Bitcoin hit 26K, it shifted upwards and kept seeking higher prices. A very, very important structure here. You can notice the deep super OB here. If we zoom out the chart, now we can see that the price really pushed the 30-minute order block. But it cannot break it properly. Instead, heavily reacting here. Not a coincidence. You must notice two other structures here. First, the inducement. How the price clears liquidity right above the order block. And notice this almost 2 weeks long range. Basically, the accumulation phase. Let me show you what truly happens right here. Price entering a long sleep state and keep accumulating orders around 27K. Most smart money starts entering inside this range by little order chunks, injecting day by day without disturbing the markets. After that, manipulation comes. Price makes a sudden drop from 27K to 26K, and people have no idea about the manipulation. First of all, price clears many stop losses in this area and finds itself a proper strong demand. Now, this demand could be anything: imbalance, order block, breaker block, but it should come from a meaningful point. Finally, the most anticipated move happens: the expansion. None of these happen with random basis. But the puzzle is not over yet. I have a much more important question here. Why did the price react right here? Why was this 26K point the turning point for the Bitcoin? What was the reason? Okay, now we are looking at the 1 hour chart. I'm just looking at it. All the analysis we did happened in this area until now. Questioning why the price react here. I will zoom in this area and check for the structures. We will look at what we can find. Let's see, a nice imbalance here, as you can see, combined with an order block. Nice. If you zoom out, you can see that price perfectly reacts to this structure. Furthermore, you can notice how the price clears all the liquidity and fills up the price before the power of 3. Just amazing. If you zoom in on this area, I want to look at the reaction. I want you to see this carefully, how the price wicks and fully fill the imbalance to the tick and then fires up. Crazy stuff. However, in my opinion, this 1 hour structure is not the best or the most powerful. I'm not satisfied. I need to see more structure. I need to find a much more powerful reason. Price almost moved from 26K to 29K, $3,000 movement. This simple 1 hour structure will not satisfy me. Okay, great. We are looking at the daily chart now. You already know that I was closely watching this daily imbalance for a long time. And if you follow my Twitter, as I said, until we lose this mega imbalance, I favor longs more than shorts. Of course, you can take shorts as well, like quick scalps. But I already noticed the accumulation phase the week before. What happened here was a basic power of 3 with accumulation, manipulation, and the expansion. Here we do something else. Let's uncover the secrets. Let's learn the truth with weekly and monthly charts. Let me get rid of all the analysis that we made before. 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, and the daily analysis. Notice this weekly balanced price range, the BPR. Can you see it? How the price perfectly reacts to BPR. Let me zoom out. Here we have the SUPER BPR, basically the combination of 3 imbalances untouched. First imbalance in 2021, second imbalance in 2022, the third imbalance in 2023. Notice how the price reacts in this special price zone. All good. Now switch to the monthly chart. What a journey, right? Started with 15 minutes and now we are checking the 1 month chart. Trading is definitely a crazy business. That weekly SUPER BPR is actually intact with monthly SUPER BPR, triple untouched imbalances, which makes it an extremely powerful reaction point. You can notice how the price reacted exactly at 26K and was pushed up to the 29K almost yesterday. This is why I favor taking longs rather than shorts. Now, seeing all these needs practice. Just remember this. For example, your typing skills with a keyboard. First months, even typing your name could take minutes. Now you can type like 100 words in 1 minute. How long did it take to get this point? Years. Trading is no different. Okay folks, I hope this was another valuable video session to improve yourself. Trading requires regular practice and patience. I hope you subscribe to the channel and like the video. help me to reach new traders to teach the right trading methods. Thank you, take care, and see you soon.